Hi guys, I want to talk to you a little bit about this week's work, week 5. Again, we are moving into another essay, and because of that, we have to get feedback a little differently. So some things will be due Monday, and I'll kind of go through that with you. So we are going to week 5, and this is the homework that you need to have due by Monday. So there's a PowerPoint read and review, and I will have a video up that I need for you to go over. It sort of explains in more depth the PowerPoint. On Wednesday, I would like for you to complete the outline. I give you a student sample, and again, there will be a video accompanying it. Please watch that. I think that it will help tremendously. And then for Friday, you have this reading, the rough draft of your essay. You need to have read Alice in Wonderland chapters 7 through 12, and the quiz will be over chapters 8 through 12. And then hopefully this will help with the group work. We are not doing peer review this week. I'd like to get your feedback on that a little bit, as it was a new process. But you're going to go to groups, and then you need to go to the group discussion board. So that's all we're doing this week is group discussion. So you click on group discussion, and then there are different forums. And so this forum is rote memorization. And so, excuse me, let me go back and read it so I can create a thread and show you. So it says, the author, a teacher, and mathematician used fantasy to talk about the absurdity and rigidity in the classroom. He hated rote memorization, like Alice memorizing the poem, How Doth the Bumblebee? Alice misunderstands, How Doth the Crocodile? I'm including a little video right here so that you can see this, but respond to the following question in a new thread. What are the advantages and disadvantages of rote memorization? So this is the video that I kind of want you to check out of rote memorization happening today.
Simplify! Reduce the fraction by common factors about the greatest factor and simplify. No common factors in the number can be.
Okay, we won't watch all of it, but you see that the students are using rote memorization like they have a song, and it kind of goes through the process of simplifying fractions. So that's an example of rote memorization. Rote memorization is when you were little memorizing, the nursery rhymes and things like that. So my question to you is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of rote memorization? Would you ever use it in your classroom? Why or why not? So you click on that, and then you want to create a new thread. So I am going to put or it may be necessary. Right? As an English teacher, I always say, in order for students to capitalize correctly, they have to know the capitalization rules. And you can always do a video like I did in Screencast-O-Matic and upload it to Blackboard if you prefer. I guess the students, you'd have to watch each other's videos, but say problem solving or and again, there's a lot of, and I will actually try to post that too. There's a lot of alternatives to rote memorization. I think about grammar. We can call that progressive or inquiry-based grammar, in which we show student sentences that are incorrect, and we sort of model the correct behavior or get them to understand what's wrong with it, have them come to the concept itself. I do think, at least especially for elementary children, there is some real merits in having a background skill and being able to define things. We often talk about Bloom's taxonomy and those basic skills. So I've kind of gone off on a tangent here, but I'm going to submit it. And then if I want, what I can do is I can respond to myself, be more in depth than I'm being, but okay. And then I click submit. And that is as difficult as the group work gets this week. So I think that's it in a nutshell. I really appreciate all your hard work, and I'm here to help. So happy Alice in Wonderland week 5.